Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In previous class, we talked about could and its different uses. We discussed that could can be used for past abilities, something that we could do in the past. We can also use could for making a request, like could you bring me a glass of water, or could you switch on the light or switch off the light. We can also use could for asking a formal permission, like could I come in, could I use your mobile phone, could I sit here, could I ask you a question, etc. So we have discussed these things. Next we have may. Now what is may used for? Remember, it's a very common modal auxiliary. That is a common modal auxiliary जो commonly इस्तेमाली की. So we have different uses of may. First we have possibility. When we think that something is possible to happen or something is probable to happen, the uses probability we possibility we the kedalo. The car kidishi nishi kede. Like for example, kidishi is sabarasham. Kidishi sabaranasham. Possibility da. Kidishi nan baranushi, kidishi nan baranushi. Possibility da. The kedo hum possibility da, the ne kedo hum possibility da. सही ना? किदिशी सवाज़ पेशावर तलाशम. Da zamus reseri da possibility imkan de. Kidishi is a BS English ke admission wakhlam suppose so koi. Poige? No da possibility is admission wakhlam admission wanakhlam. It's possible. No, the hagi bayana wolu da para we use may. So the structure for that is we have the subject, then may, and if you remember matasawilu base form ya first form, and then object if any. For example, I may take 2 classes today. हो सकता है मैं आज 2 classes ले लूँ. हो सकता है. I may go to Peshawar tomorrow. I may go to tomorrow. Okay? Yes, for example, I may say that Sir Farman may teach you writing skill today. हो सकता है वो आज आपको जो है वो writing पढ़ा ले. ठीक है? It may rain tonight. It may rain tonight. हो सकता है आज रात बारिश हो जाए. हो सकता है. Possibility. Now when we change it into negative, so for negative the structure is subject, may not, and then first form, okay. For example, I may not come tomorrow. अक्सर मुंह मलगर the friends सवा यू क्लास की किरीश इस सवारा नशम. I may not come tomorrow. Kirish is the next class one akhlam. I may not take next class. Okay? Munga aksar Kirish biya mila uneshu. We may not meet in future. Yeah, next time. So here we may not meet. Ho sakta hai hum na mile. Okay? So that is how we like change it into negative. We may not meet again. Ho sakta hai hum dobara na mile. Okay? So that is how we make negative sentences. Yes, could you tell me about 2 or 3 possibilities and something that may not happen? Positive and negative. Examples ra ke shabash. Yo car ta so shayad okay. Next, future da para. I may go to university. I may play cricket after class. I may go to Peshawar.
I may take English language class.
I may take English language class. Very good. I may go home.
I may go to school.
I may go to school. Yes. I may play cricket.
I may drive a car.
Okay.
I may drive a car.
May drive a car.
I may absent today.
I may.
Absent. No.
I may be. Huh. One more thing. Listen. When there is kind of action, chekala yo action we munga first form likale de, asal kita samoli base form de. No chekala tasu the state khabara kave, then we use be. I may be absent tomorrow. I may be ill. Okay? I may be ill. I may be in Peshawar. May be. हो सकता है मैं पेशावर में हूँ. सही है? No, may be the state the बयानवलो द पारा, the हालत the बयानवलो द पारा, then we use be as base form. सही ना? As base form बमूंगा be इस्तेमाल होगा. संगा हुई I may be absent tomorrow. हो सकता है मैं कल absent हूँ. सही है? किदिश सबा. It may be rainy tonight. किदिश इनन लशपे मौसम से भी बारानी हुई. It may be rainy. Rainy adjective दे हाँ. सही है? The be नपस पे भी आमूंगा आगे adjective था उससे याद दिया preposition आगा पे इस्तेमाल हो. सही? ज़रूरी ना दसवा. But it normally refers to future. द कार ला शवे न दे. It may happen in future. किदिशी पर रातलुन के टाइम क्यूशी no normally द possibility future तरफ तरफ refer की हाँ. द रातलुन के टाइम द बारे विच I may go to Peshawar tomorrow. No ज़रूरी ना tomorrow. सही ना? Next year हम किदिशी सबा हम किदिशी today हम किदिशी हो ला कार शवे न दे. It may happen. किदिशी च्यूशी. सही ना? नो पदे वजह द फ्यूचर द पारा चीज़ रेफर की हाँ. क्लियर? हाँ. नेक्स्ट जमूं सर द मैं चिकम यूज दे आगा फॉर्मल परमिशन दे इजाज़त. Like when you enter the class you say may I come in. दागेरा पारा structure से may then subject and question mark at the end. Okay, for example, may I come in?
May I drink water?
Okay, may I go home? May I leave the class? May I sit in your class? May I drink water? May I take your class? क्या मैं आपकी क्लास ले सकता हूँ या ले सकती हूँ? May I write my homework? Okay, may I write it now? क्या मैं अब लिख सकता हूँ या लिख सकती हूँ? Yes. May I? Yes. May I catch or make a picture? So you know? No. Da munga sako permission वाड़ू इजाज़त वाड़ू दे इजाज़त तपारा and it's a formal way हाँ formal तरीक़ा दा कि मुंगा मैं इस्तेमाल को. We can also use could instead of may. हाँ. Next जमुंग सरबल यो चिदे आगा सिशे दी. Pray. Curse or wish. चाहता जिमुंग दुआ को बद दुआ को या वर्ता सर ख्वाहिश इजहार को. सही ना? Like for example मुंगो may you live long. May you live long. May live long. Or you may also use sign of exclamation चिकम दे the अगर feelings दे इजहार द वजह द पारा मुंगा sign of exclamation हम इस्तेमाल वली शूं. सही ना? May
Allah give you.
you get good marks. Okay, Allah दियो किसी marks वाखली. May you get first position. Allah दियो किसी first position वाखली. Okay, मुंगा ब्याह अक्सर सो को फाच मुंगी may his soul rest in peace. May soul in peace. No, दुआ या चाहता दा ख्वाहिश इजहार कवल आगे पारा मुंगा मैं इस्तेमाल हो. You can also use it for बद्दुआ curse. बद्दुआ दा पारा हम तासो इस्तेमाल हो शे. तो देने अलावा you may also use the name of Allah here. लते कि हम मुंगा अल्लाह नेम न दे इस्तेमाल करे दागे बावजूद मतलब हम दगा दे. सही ना? No. सही ना? May Allah give you सक्सेस. अल्लाह दे कामयाबी दर की में अल्लाह गिव यू सक्सेस. नो पदे तरीक़ा में तासो को पके दा अल्लाह नेम जिक्र कवल वाले ब्याह हम सही दा. तबल तरीक़ा में सही दा विदाउट अल्लाह's नेम और कुना दागे ने दागे सरे इस्तेमाल हुए नो द्वारा तरीक़े तासो इस्तेमाल वाले शे. सही दा? Clear दे? So that is how we use may for different things, for possibility, permission and pray, curse or wish. Clear? You may write it. Shabash.